The foods that are fit for humans to eat tend to have more acid than base in their composition. This is because most foods are naturally acidic, with a pH value less than 7. Low acid foods have a pH value higher than 4.6. Conversely, acid foods have a pH of 4.6 or lower. Since most of the ingredients in our dishes have a pH value of less than 7, the acid-base reactions that likely occurred are between the weak acids and slightly stronger acids in the dishes. Weak acids are considered to have a range pH value of 5 to 6.9. These compounds can still release hydrogen ions, but only ionize partially and weakly. When an acid reacts with another acid, the stronger acid will work as an acid, while the weaker one will act as a base.
Given that we cannot just get the average of the pH values of the ingredients because the pH scale is logarithmic and not linear, we were not able to determine the exact value of pH of the final dish. Thus, we have innovated and based our assumptions on the pH levels of the ingredients. Further analysis of the different pH values in the ingredients led us to believe that both of our dishes are acidic. Although there are alkaline-promoting foods for the body, such as the vegetables and herbs, the duck meat, which is our main ingredient, overpowers these alkaline foods since the consumer will more likely eat the duck meat rather than the pieces of herbs and vegetables.
Acids can work as tenderizers by breaking down fibers in foods that are cooked in it. It also penetrates and flavors the food. This can be observed in the soy sauce together with the ginger, onion, and garlic in cooking the Chinese medicinal duck. These three acid ingredients help in tenderizing the duck meat and enhancing its flavor. Tenderness was found to improve under acidic conditions. In addition, to make the flavor and texture more pleasant, fat is added into the dish, which is the palm oil. Since water is a neutral solution, it diluted the concoction when it was added. We know that if we add water to a solution, the concentration will decrease. Thus, to neutralize and avoid the strong flavor in the partial concoction, water was added. The same goes with the modernized herbal noodles. Water was first poured into the soup pot and then mixed with the stock from the main dish. Once the rice noodles were added, we have let it simmer at a medium temperature for the noodles to cook and for it to absorb the flavors of the stock.